Welcome back to CAD Jewelry Projects. Today we're going to be creating another jewelry design that came out from AI generator image. That's basically this design right here. Pretty basic. So if you have a Matrix9, Rhino, or Matrix Gold, feel free to follow this tutorial so we can make this AI design and make it possible to produce in real jewelry. Alright, let's get this started. So what I can see from this design, we have a bezel setting with a simple band and a channel setting. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with size 7. Okay, and then this looks like this is a very low profile setting for our center stone. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up the gem loader, and then I would pick half a carat on this, so about 5 mm. All right, put this by 0.3 because we're gonna try to set this as low as possible. And then on here we can press F4 and then F6 and then create our bezel setting. All right, I want to make this tapered. That's what I can see on our design. Alright, then top thickness is probably about 0.5 mm because that's what I see here. They're very rounded and very thin setting, so very light. Okay, let's angle this about 20, -20. Put this down. Alright, let's try to angle it by -25. Nope, just 20. All right, okay. And then also by the end of this video, I'm gonna provide you guys a just a simple animation for this this project right here that we're doing just to see just a little bit showcase for this project. All right, so keep watching until the end. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So now from here I'm gonna create a profile. I want my profile to be really rounded. So um, let's select the profile we have here. Let's see if we have the very round profile. Okay, this one actually is not bad. We can select this about 2.5 right here, and then 1.5 on the height, and then 2.5 on the width. All right. Then from here we're gonna add another profile, and then let's make this width about 4 mm, and then this height about, I would say, about 2 mm. All right, let's put this inside, and then I'm gonna mirror this, add mirror. Okay, enter. And then now we're gonna try to save our files, so that way whenever we crash our program, you still have this. Always jab back or save your files before while you're doing your projects, so you don't lose time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use sweep one, and then select our profiles right here and here. Okay, it's not too bad. All right, you know what, I'm gonna try to make this a little bit thinner, maybe about 3.2. Okay, and then we're gonna fillet this solid fillet edge about 0.3. There we go. And then now we can sweep one again here, this profile right here, the one on the bottom, and then the one on the left. Okay, and then put that right here. Let's make this to green. All right, we're almost there. Now what we can do is we can create this channel setting. All right, so we can use extracts isocurve. All right, and then put out the gem on the curve. Let's make this about 1.2s. All right, okay, all right, put this down. I want this to be inside our metal. All right, and then I'm gonna cut planar this. Okay, and then now what we can do is go to channel builder. All right, let's see what we have. That's not too bad. Let's put this up. I would say this is 90%. Let's make it about 86%. Yep, it's not too bad. Press enter, and then we're gonna fill this again, so that way when we render it, when we do the animation, it'll look really good. Okay, that may be a little bit too much. Let's try 0.1 previous settings. All right, it's not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half. Okay, because I only want this side. We already created the right side, so we can just mirror on the other side. Okay, all right, join. There we go. Save this. All right, and just like that, we recreated this ring. So we can now grow this, or however you want to do it. All right, let's see what we have. Yeah, that's not too bad. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope this is a pretty simple tutorial. I would say this one for beginners. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay until the end because I have a quick animation for this project. Okay.